Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you encounter problems with the wireless adapter or access point, basically your router, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's the thing, there's not much you can do about it, but I'll give you two solutions. First of all, switch off your router and your computer. Actually, these days modem routers are combined, otherwise you'll have to shut down all the three devices and switch them on one by one. But for now, switch off your router and then your computer, and then switch on your router only your router, and wait till all the lights are stable. Once the lights are stable, you can switch on your computer. It will pick the IP address. And other than this, you can update the network drivers. So search for device manager, open device manager, expand the list for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.